internet, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a kawaii box unboxing video, and as you can see, my box is really squished this month. It's like it must have been stuck between two packages in the truck or the plane or something, and just like literally been squished like an accordion. So when I received it, I mean, part of me was really worried that something was destroyed, but nothing's leaking. I shook it lightly. I didn't hear anything that sounded loose. But this is just the nature of receiving stuff in the mail. You're gonna get packages like this because the company can't control it when the postal services pick them up and throw them in their trucks. So it's kind of like a risk that we all have to take when we order stuff online. But it is what it is. So let's unbox it and see how everything is inside. Okay. I feel like it's so squished it's actually kind of funny. I don't know why. I just find it a little comical now. So let's try and straighten out the papers. So this is Underwater Fantasy. Very cool. Okay, June box. And this is just the paper that kind of outlines everything that's in the box. So I'll just put that aside and let's get into the unboxing. So, okay, the only thing, okay, this one I can tell has already been kind of crushed. It's kind of like, it's snacked, so it's definitely going to be broken up on the inside to some degree, but it's still edible. I don't know. I'm not fussy about that stuff, so long as it's still edible, I'll still eat it. Don't know if it's like in little chunks like this or it's like a full stick, but who knows. I'm sure it'll taste great. I love ramen. I love chicken, so it'll working out. So we have a plushie. Fortunately, as a plushie, it's unlikely to get too mangled, so yeah, it's like, can't tell. Is it a mouse or a cat? Okay, I think it's a cat. I just looked at the piece of paper and it called it Neko, so that's definitely cat. So it's like a little cat plushie. You guys know I'm obsessed with anything cat related. I have my own cats. I love cats. They just make the world a better place. Well, really, I think any pet does. I think pets just have this thing. So this is candy. I think these are like hard candies. They feel like, yeah, they feel really hard on the inside. Different flavors. You have soda, cola, grape, orange, apple. Okay, I just realized this pen is like really crushed. Oh my gosh, this makes me really sad now. Like, cause to see that things actually were damaged in the mail. So this is just, I think this is just a regular gel pen, but it's like bent, like seriously bent. And what is this? I have a feeling like this was initially maybe attached here. I'm just gonna put it in. And it's kind of supposed to be like a jellyfish. Just going based off the sheet on the side, I think this is what it was supposed to be. So that's kind of cute. It's definitely more of a decorative pen than a serious writing pen. I'm tempted to try and bend this back, but I'm really worried I'll break it and then I'll have ink everywhere. Like surely that would have broken, so it'd be leaking on the inside now, wouldn't it? Just imagine it perfectly straight, because I know that's how it would have come if the box wasn't damaged. Twin Star! Oh, I love Twin Star. It's like a Twin Star keychain. No, it's not. Actually, it's a Twin Star key holder. Okay, so basically, if you do use keys, which I'm sure a lot of us do, you put the key at the top here, and so then the head of the key is in here, so it's like a bigger surface area, and then the key comes out at the bottom, and then it's a great way to label different keys that you have, in case if all your keys kind of look the same, then you can identify, oh, this is my house key or my mailbox key or something like that. My keys actually are all different sizes, intentionally so, like different colors and sizes, so I can recognize them. So I don't know if I'll actually need to use this for any of my keys, but I'm gonna keep it around just in case. Oh, okay, he had a little like fleck on him. Then I'm pretty sure these are post-it notes, but like the Narwhal post-it notes. I love that it's on like a clear backing. It's just like this level of classiness to it. But yeah, notice how this is all clear. It just looks so nice. And then, oh, is this nail art? It's totally like, it's like the Little Mermaid nail art. Can you guys see all the detail? That's so cool. And they've got like these chains that you can use for patterns. That's amazing. Not that I need more nail art stuff, but I do actually use all of them, so I am looking forward to using this. Even though now I'm looking at it, I'm like, don't you think this is good for like children? And I'm like, I don't care. I'll use it because I think it's cute. So we have some stickers. Oh yeah, it's like Ariel stickers. It literally looks like Little Mermaid Ariel, but they're puffy, which like makes me sad because I don't use puffy stickers. So I'm gonna have to put this away in my big box of things I will eventually want to give away to people. And then what is this? Like a booklet? Oh no, it's a notebook, but it's like completely like bent. As you can see, it's like really bent out of shape. I mean, the notebook is still usable though. Yeah, let's see. All right, it's all lined. It's all lined paper, but in the center, you've kind of got this like dot separation. Actually, you have them at the bottom, in the center, and at the top. So I think that helps you draw lines down if you want to draw any columns. Oh, I'm so sad that this is like really mangled up. I'm gonna zoom you out a little bit. Yeah, that really bums me out, but it's still totally usable. And quite honestly, just because it is mangled up, I am probably going to start using it now. Like, it could just be my scrap notebook or something like that I keep to the side, because that's always something I'm missing. I always need like a random piece of paper, but I don't want to take out a brand new piece of paper, just like sort of jot things down quickly. So I don't know, it's kind of like a blessing in disguise that it's come mangled, so I feel like I'm not going to be able to give it to anyone, so I may as well just use it as like a scrap notebook on the side. And then the last one, I think, is like a handkerchief or a towel, just like a Little Mermaid towel. It's like the tiniest little towel. It's so cute. Okay, cool. So that was everything in this month's Kawaii Box unboxing video. I don't really think there's anything to try. Like, usually I test out the pens, but the only pen I got was this one, and I think we all kind of know it's just the standard black gel pen. So yeah, other than the fact that the box came crushed, which I know is not the fault of Kawaii Box at all, and you guys have seen me unbox so many of these, it rarely does come this bad, but it comes in the mail, so there's nothing much you can do. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video anyways. Let me know which one was your favorite item. Thank you so much for watching. This is Selena reporting from my room. Back to you, Internet.